That is fine. So mute yourself, guys. I'm invoking voice का access as of now. Later I will give the access of audio. So guys, lot of people is asking me about volume key trading and all. Previously, some students was there. They was asking about me volume trading and all. Like how to identify ki what is going to in next 1 hour, yeah, 15 minutes, yeah, what is going on based on volumes and all. Like we are watching the volumes in the bottom side, but what is the meaning of that volume? Lot of people are asking about that thing, and then many people are trading on based on volumes also, because without volume market is unpredictable, and market is not going to move in any other another side. If volume is there, means something is happening in the market. Look like this. So your volumes is look like this normally. This is a normal volume ka chart, which indicates here volumes are coming, here less volume, here less volume, here higher side of volume. But for every stock there is a critical volume. Like if a stock is daily trading in a range of 5 lakh volume, 10 lakh volume, 15 lakh volume, means that average is coming near 7 lakh at lakh, 7 lakh at lakh. Means in this particular script, if daily 5 lakh 7 lakh ka volume is coming, means that is usual for that stock. And that let me take in Hindi also. अगर किसी एक स्टॉक का वॉल्यूम 5-6 लाख 5 लाख 6 लाख आ रहा है, उसका वो एक यूजुअल चल रहा है. लाइक एक बंदा, वन पर्सन इज देयर हु इज अर्निंग 15,000 रुपीज मंथली. 15 means that is usual for this him, and this is not a critical thing. But suddenly वो 30,000 earn करता है, means 15 to 30, means something is happening wrong. means 7 lakh to 14 lakh का अचानक से एक वॉल्यूम आता है. यहाँ क्या हुआ? Here normal volume is running, but here suddenly volumes are increasing. Why? और ये usual है या unusual है? So we need to think about that thing ना. You can see market was down and here huge volumes are coming, but generally here small volumes are coming. So this is positive side or negative side. Yeah, what is going to happen? What is the meaning of this thing? We will learn about that thing. Okay? कितना volume? How much volume is critical for a stock? Because 15,000 that person is earning, वो 15,000 रुपए का आदमी कमा रहा था, फाइन है. वो 15 चल रहा है. 16-17 if he is earning, it's fine. Sometimes 2,000 rupees वो इधर उधर से कमा सकता है, but suddenly he is earning 30,000. That is not easy ना. That is something he is doing wrong or something critical. That's why he is 15 to 30 double हो गया उसका suddenly. So we need to identify that thing only in the market. So for every particular script there is a number which is critical for that particular script. हर एक स्क्रिप्ट का एक नंबर होता है, that is going calculated, वो कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है हमें. वो एक नंबर अगर हमें दिखता है suddenly on screen or our data, that means something is happening unusual, because normal person has no power to create a critical delta. Suddenly 15 lakh का वॉल्यूम था, suddenly 30 lakh का वॉल्यूम. if retail trader or a small trader has no power to do that thing, means big player is doing something critical. So how to identify that things and how to calculate that things, I will going to start. Okay, if anyone has any question about regarding this thing, can unmute yourself and ask me. बीच में I will take questions. It's my habit, because people can understand the thing. If they are joining, they are giving the time, so I can. So you are able to understand, means we are going to cover the critical wala thing. So
Could you once again tell a little bit in English, please?
yeah, I'm using English only. Yeah, you are joined late. Yeah, I'm using English only. A little bit Hindi also. Okay, might be you have joined late. So just I'm starting. I have just given the definition of critical delta. What is the things are the critical? I'm giving the definition.
Just like Puneet ji,
Yeah. Please.
ये this is for stock or option like
Everything,
Nifty,
everything.
Bank Nifty. So I'm not interested in that.
Same rule.
For stock, then I'm
Everything is
interested.
going to work in every market. If you are learning A, that is going to work
Okay.
in crypto, that is going to work in options, that is going to work in your everything, gold, whatever. If price is getting traded,
Okay.
means that script is going to work. If you are applying all the things on
Okay. I'll note
onions,
now.
that is going to work on that also. Okay. So if you are learning anything in financial market that is related to all the scripts. Okay. If someone is telling you about options ka call options, that similar thing is going to work on Tata Motors. That similar thing is going to work on BTC. Every financial, because if price is getting traded means there is volume and then buyer and seller. So that buyer and seller means all the things is going to be work. Okay. So never compare with कि ये stock पे भी काम करेगा या नहीं करेगा, index पे काम करेगा नहीं, because we are taking index as example because that is easy to understand and सब जानते हैं उसके बारे में, ठीक है, और सबसे कॉमन है वो, और ज्यादा मैनिपुलेटेड होता भी है नहीं भी होता, बट वो सबसे कॉमन है, तो लोग समझ जाते हैं कि कहाँ कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग बीएनएफ एंड निफ्टी का एग्जांपल्स बिकॉज दैट इज द इंडेक्स ऑफ इंडिया. Okay, so don't worry about that thing it's going to work or not. So every stock index has a critical delta which we have discussed earlier. So this calculation is 1 year old. Okay, so ignore that thing, this thing. Okay, 40k and 90k, I will give you fresh calculations in front of you only. So BNF has 40k delta as of 2022 and Nifty 90k delta. Okay, so critical delta calculation is going to be based on 5 minute का time frame, 15 minute का time frame, 30 minute का time frame, whatever time frame is suitable for you, आप उस हिसाब से काम कर सकते हैं. If you are trading on 30 minute का time frame, so you can choose 30 minute का time frame as your calculations. If you want to calculate on daily का level, so you can calculate on the day level. If you want to calculate on 1 minute का chart, you can calculate on 1 minute का chart. That depends on you. You need to make some changes in your formulas. So critical delta. Some people don't know about delta. Delta, let me tell you. आप में से बहुत लोगों को पता भी नहीं होगा. Let me show you. So delta is buyer minus seller. इस टॉपिक को मैं ज्यादा नहीं लूंगा, लिटिल स्लाइटली लूंगा मैं जल्दी, because this is a very large topic. So if you will see, in this candle 10 k delta is showing. You can see na delta 10k means here buyer minus seller net is coming in green 10k. In this candle 4k means minus 4k means 4k sellers are there in this candle. Similarly here 26k delta is here means total volume was this much, out of this much minus करने के बाद में we are getting 26k in positive side. Okay, if sellers are more, then you will see value is in negative, means buyer means seller minus seller. This is aggressive buy order minus aggressive sell orders is called as delta. ठीक है. So how to calculate the delta? So uh, to calculate the critical delta for a script or any stock or any index, whatever you are trading, जिसका भी आपको करना है, you need to take 1 day का chart. Okay, so you will get कि उसमें daily कितना volumes आ रहा है. Okay, so in Adani these are normal candles. Okay, small. So in Adani it's getting loaded here, this will take time. Yeah, so in Adani you will see कि 3 lakhs 1.7 lakh 94 5 point, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा वॉल्यूम था. So you will see कि यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम्स आता है कभी 6 million, कभी 3.5, कभी 15.5k. This trading session is showing something irregular. So here 15k 8 lakhs 3.4. So to know the average volume of this thing, because volumes are not same ना, daily volume same नहीं आ रहा, कभी 2 लाख आ रहा है, कभी 1.3 लाख आ रहा है, कभी 6.4, कभी 5.4 5.3 6.5 million. So here big volumes is coming. So to calculate the average volume of that stock, we need to check first 10 days का volume. Let's move to the calculation वाला part. इधर ये cover ही नहीं होगा. So wait one. I have just copy and paste that thing only. Day and volume. So in Adani, here is one rule. Minus means in this day net 2 lakh and 1,000 net sellers was there in this candle. Okay, total volume was happen whatever, net is coming 2.1 1 lakh sellers. Okay, in at 3:30 means in the morning there was buyer seller buyer seller buyer seller till 3:30. At closing time there was 2 lakh sellers. On this day 5.35 535 buyers, 94k sellers. So this is indicating the full day ka conclusion. That called cumulative delta. Okay, let me show you on 30-minute chart to understand that delta. So this is 9:15 the candle. Here you will see 2.54 2.54 delta is 2.54 means first 30 minutes में 2.5k buyers था, so net is coming 2.5k. But later क्या हुआ, in second candle there was 37,000 sellers, but in previous candle 2.5 minus 37, net buyer seller is coming in minus, then later 1 lakh. So we will plus this plus this plus this plus this, and net is coming in the day. Cumulative delta means till that time how much buyer and seller was there, or this is upper side, the delta is indicating how much buyer and seller in that candle only. उस कैंडल में कितना बायर सेलर है और नीचे वाला बता रहा है पूरे दिन में कितना बायर सेलर था. ठीक है, सो हियर वी विल टेक cumulative delta फॉर फुल डे का cumulative delta कितना रहा था हमारा. ओके, आई एम डिलीटिंग ऑल द वैल्यूज to calculate the thing. So let's move to the 1 day ka chart again, and we will take green entries with 1 lakh and more volumes. So for Adani ports, yeah, you will say कि कोई दूसरा चार्ट लो, तो I will take that. Please ping in the chat if you want कि random कोई स्टॉक ले लो, इसमें मोमेंट अच्छा रहता है या कुछ. Ten seconds, you have 10 seconds only. Either I will pick my personal opinion. SBI कार्ड लेता हूँ मैं, ठीक है, that is huge volatile stock. Okay, तो पता नहीं आप बोलेंगे कि पहले से लगा के बैठा है. I'm taking SBI cards. One of the best stock to trade in intraday as per my experience. So rule 1, one lakh plus cumulative delta. Rule 2, green volumes only. Okay, simple, इतना ही है. Then if I remember any other rule मैं बताऊंगा. So first here red volumes, I'm not taking this, I'm taking this 1.4 lakh. So 146 on this day. Second 273, 96 is below 1 lakh, 15 is below 1 lakh, this is also one below 1 lakh. So I'm taking 273 and 639. 273 639. Going on back, 1.6 166 743 702. 146 703. मेरा गलत हो गया. 166 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 146 743 702. 1 166,743 743,702. You will get surprised here. 279,305. Yeah, 139 green. Okay, 293. So I have taken last 10 green days का total cumulative delta. Positive side का 369 293 है ना. Total 10 days का volume. So total 10 days का positive side volume is coming 3685. ये lakhs में है volume. अपन इसको वापस कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे बाद में, ठीक है. Later we will change. So what is saying? डेली का डेल्टा मींस cumulative डेल्टा ऑफ 10 डेज. मैंने 10 डेज का डेल्टा लिया, इसको मैं डिवाइड करूंगा 10 से. यहाँ पे यू विल देखोगे B12 B12 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 10. सो एवरेज डेली का डेल्टा आ रहा है, दैट इज कमिंग 368. मींस नॉर्मल वॉल्यूम्स फॉर SBI कार्ड्स इज 368. दिस इज नॉर्मल वॉल्यूम फॉर दिस थिंग. ओके, लेट्स कन्वर्ट दिस थिंग ऑन 5 मिनट का चार्ट और 15 मिनट का चार्ट. I'm taking as of now 5 minutes. Later you can change on 15 minutes. So in a day 75 candles of 5 minutes is there. Okay, because our market is getting open at 9:15 to 3:30. So how many here hours? 10, 15, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and here 15 minutes more. Fine. So how many minutes is there? 60, 60, 60, 60. So total कितना हुआ? 360 plus 15. Total is coming 375 minutes. इसको डिवाइड करना है अपने को 5 से. 5 मिनट्स का कितना कैंडल हुआ? टोटल 5 मिनट्स का कैंडल इज 75 कैंडल्स. सो इन दिस, इसको जो फुल डे का क्रिटिकल डेल्टा था, आई एम डिवाइडिंग दिस थिंग बाय 75. ओके, सो दिस इज इन लैक्स कि ये कितना डेल्टा है कम्युलेटिव इसके लिए. दिस इज क्रिटिकल डेल्टा फॉर, दिस इज नॉर्मल डेल्टा, दिस इज नॉर्मल डेल्टा फॉर 5 मिनट्स. if SBI cards is getting traded this much of amount, this much of amount, इसको मैं multiply करूंगा 10,000 से, because this value was in lakhs. Let's convert this in lakhs. So if 49,000 volume is coming in this thing, that is normal for that. Am I audible or not? So this is normal volume for SBI cards. If we are seeing this much of volume in SBI cards, that is normal for SBI cards. Nothing is unusual for that thing. तो आप बोलेंगे तो फिर कौन सा है जो अनयूजुअल है उसके लिए? SBI कार्ड्स के लिए, SBI कार्ड्स के लिए अनयूजुअल वॉल्यूम होगा if we are seeing 2x of this thing, 3x of this thing. Okay, means someone is earning 15,000, suddenly he is earning 30,000, means he is doing something wrong, means 2x and more. So as per my calculations and my experience, I am taking always 2.5x of this normal volume, means equal to this multiply by 2.5. So if I am seeing 1 lakh and above volume in 5 minute का candle, that is critical for SBI cards. उसके बाद में उसमें एक sudden move आने के बहुत सारे chances हैं, या someone is doing something big game. So there is no critical volumes I am seeing in this thing. तो कैलकुलेशन में गड़बड़ हो गया क्या भाई? अरे यार सॉरी, this was my calculation error. So because 368 is for 1 day, if I am dividing this by, this is 3,68,000. okay, so I am dividing by this 75, it's coming approx 5,000. okay, मैंने उसको ज़्यादा. So if we are seeing 12,000 or more volumes in SBI cards in a candle, that is critical for SBI cards. ठीक है, So you will see कि यहाँ पे 15k का वॉल्यूम आया है, market is going in that trend only. You will see कि इधर 8k है, that is not critical for that thing. 11k, that is not, but suddenly we are seeing कि 15k, 2.5x and more, or we are saying कि market is going on that trend only. You can see. Then there is no bigger volumes are coming, no bigger volumes. Here we are seeing again 13k. We can short here the market, okay, in this candle closing, but we will see कि इसके ऊपर नहीं जा रहा market is not going above this thing. You can see clearly. Again here 11k, but not critical, okay, but if we see 13 or 4, we can think about long side. Here again we are seeing 15k ka negative volume, this candle high, here we will give a SL or something. Sometimes it not works, but it happens. Here if this candle 30k ka selling delta is coming, but you will see ki delta diversion is here, selling in this candle, but this is another concept, will tell you later. But in this candle is green, but delta is showing in red. It's something fishy is happening here. We need to ignore these things, because market downside was gone, but suddenly recover कर लिया. Total volume in came in this is huge. So कुछ exceptions है इसके. If we are seeing delta diversion is there, we need to ignore that candle. Means यहाँ पे selling was there, but no delta candle red ही नहीं बना, means delta diversion, someone is doing trap to people. So इसमें हमें ignore करना है. That conviction will come after some self studies and all. Till now किसी का कुछ question है तो please let me know, मैं allow करता हूँ. किसी का कुछ question है तो please. I will take another example also. Unmute कर सकते हो आप अपने आप को. सबको समझ आ गया?
This calculation will have to do every time, every day.
No. We need to calculate once in a month or something. If you see, if you want to calculate, let me calculate for any index. If anyone has no issues, yeah, I have already calculated the
Yes,
things. I have Airtel, CZ Power, Petronet, SBI cards, HL. In last training session, I have calculated this thing. That time we are getting this much of critical delta in SBI cards. In Petronet, we are getting this much of critical delta. So let me show you this thing also. So 1,51,000 is the critical delta for this thing, Petronet. Okay, this is normal, this is abnormal, this is 2.5. So 1.26 lakh is 2.5 hours of normal delta. So let me show you Petronet also. Those people who don't know about markets and all, he can go with this thing. कुछ नहीं आता, सब कुछ काम करना छोड़ दिया. Try to sit on system or try to understand the things, small things. You need to give time, but yeah, आप easily money बनाना start कर दोगे, because we all are giving time here. Why we are giving time? To make some money ना. So how we will make money? कुछ अच्छा चीज, if we are not going to learn or all, we are not going to earn ना.
So this is supposed to be used in 5-minute candle, or
yeah, you can use in 5 minutes.
anything else?
If you want to use in 15 minutes, so you will take 25. How many 15 minute candle is there in market? To calculate that thing, how we will going to calculate? If we want to calculate ki 15 minute ka kitna candle hai, we will divide total minutes by 15. So 25 candles of 15 minutes is there.
Got it.
So we will divide total by 25. Means this total coming is this total of day is 378 na. We will divide this by 25. So this is for 15 minutes, 15 point something. Then we will multiply this thing by.
And for example, got it. I got it.
Yeah.
For example, now we have a average of some XYZ stock, like 50,000.
Okay.
We see on a particular candle that it is 2x or 3x.
Yeah.
How do we use this to trade?
Yeah. I'm going on that also. for this script it's coming 378. Okay, if on I'm going on 15 minute ka chart, okay, 3,78,000. This is Petronet. On 5 minute it's coming 1.26. Means if we are seeing this much of volume on that particular sell or buy side, market is going on, means big player is making position on that side. Simple. So if you see in Petronet, if we are seeing 1.26 lakh volume in 5 minute ka candle, means someone is making positions on that side only, because a retail trader has no power to make that much of big volumes. Retail trader इतना बड़ा कभी volume नहीं ला पाएगा, because retail has a limited portion of money. You will see कि इसमें कोई critical delta नहीं आ रहा है, means better हो शांति से. If we are going to see any critical delta 1.26 here in this candle, no, here we see na 258, even we get entry here only. What is our critical delta for Petronet? It's 126 na for 5 minutes. So I am using 5 minutes ka candle here. This is 5 minutes ka candle. So this candle is getting close. I'm marking this candle. Okay. Sorry. So in this candle, critical delta is coming now 198. What happened next? It's going on like anything. So you will say ki how to trade on these things and all. Simply, here your risk reward is going to start. Okay. So here we have seen कि critical delta इस candle में बन गया मेरा. Let's इस high break पे, on this high break I'm putting my buy order. Simple I'm taking buy order and 1% का stop loss. Max to max 1% or 2%. Max to max 2% stop loss. Because I use 1 and 1.5%. But to get maximum and good targets, you can take 2% maximum, because this is good volumes. Because my critical delta calculation is saying कि 1,26,000 coming, but यहाँ पे तो 2 लाख आया, मतलब कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया. और यहाँ पे मैं लॉन्ग पोजीशन बनाता हूँ. What should be my target and what should be my SL? I am taking entry on high break of that thing. Means if अगर ये ट्रैप करना होता तो ये हाई ब्रेक ही नहीं होता. इफ दे वांट टू ट्रैप अस, ये हाई ब्रेक नहीं होता. बट नेक्स्ट वॉल्यूम, नेक्स्ट में तो आप देखोगे ना, फॉलो अप वॉल्यूम आल्सो कैन. सो इस कैंडल के हाई ब्रेक पे मैं लूंगा एंट्री, एंड इफ आई एम टेकिंग एसएल ऑफ दिस बॉटम, कितना बॉटम है, दिस कैंडल इज 310 एंड दिस इज 313. सो माय एसएल इज approx 1.19, and then my first target should be 1:1. Where is 1:1? 1:1. Simple. Then 1:2. जहां पे फिर जाने दो ना यार, अपने को क्या लेना है. और आप देखोगे परफेक्टली 1:2 से रिवर्स हुआ है, परफेक्टली यहाँ पे. सो फर्स्ट टारगेट 1:1, सेकंड टारगेट इज 1:2. इवन ये ऊपर भी गया होगा, अपने को कोई लेना देना नहीं है उससे. ये देखो सेम डे दिस हैज गॉन अपसाइड आल्सो. 1:1, 1:2. सिंपल. दिस इज द इजीएस्ट थिंग आई हैव सीन इन लास्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशंस एंड ऑल. कुछ लोग जो प्रॉफिट्स और ये नहीं कर पा रहे, दिस इज द इजीएस्ट थिंग. आपको रिस्क और रिवार्ड भी यू कैन डिफाइन योर थिंग्स. आपको 1% का लेना है. इफ योर 1% का एसएल इज गोइंग ऑन, क्या होगा, 100 क्वांटिटी लिया 300 का लॉस होगा. ऑप्शन की तरह ऐसा तो नहीं है ना, जीरो हो जाएगा. गेटिंग द थिंग. सो हियर यू विल सी 7 रुपीज.
ये मेरे को नहीं है.
या अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
बोलो. पापा से छोड़ दिया उसको, बाजू से पकड़ रहा है.
बैकग्राउंड वॉइस ज्यादा है, आपका वॉइस कम है सर.
मैंने फाइल
मेरे को
या
अभी से एक क्वेश्चन है.
सॉरी
उज्जवल थोड़ा साइड में आ
मैंने
जाओ.
कुछ नहीं किया.
Yeah.
Anything.
So you question is on the calculation. Like at times you don't see delta positive throughout the day or whenever you're doing the calculations also. So अगर negatives भी हैं, if how do we mix it up, or it is, or how do we adjust this now?
I'm not getting your point.
Or we take the absolute one.
Like
Can you go back to your Excel sheet?
We are ignoring negative deltas in this thing.
So you are ignoring. Okay, you're not taking only
We
negative
are
deltas.
taking green delta only on EOD basis.
Okay.
Okay, so ignoring, because we will get a clear picture if you are taking green. If you are taking red, then take red only and 1 lakh and above. So you will get a clear picture, because sometimes क्या हो रहा है, here 15k का delta is here 56 का, this will give you a lesser average. We need a perfect match above 1 lakh and above. So आपके कोई false signal ना मिले. Okay. और
But now the thing is that at times we don't see positives. Uh, Prices every day will fluctuate, sometime positive,
so
sometime
अपन
negative.
10 दिन 15 दिन पीछे चले
So
जाएंगे,
you are
25 दिन 50 दिन का ले लेंगे डेटा. We will
so आप मुझे ये बोल रहे हैं कि we pick only those positive deltas in last 1 month में the latest
हाँ
ones.
10 डेज का लेना है अपने को. तो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि फॉर ए ईयर उसका रेडी है, तो फिर उसको तो अपने को चेक ही नहीं करना.
हाँ.
ठीक है. सो वी नीड टू टेक, ये देखो रूल वन 1 लाख प्लस cumulative delta, रूल 2 green volumes only. Okay.
Okay, so like today we are in May. I'll take April का data and take
हाँ
latest 10
हाँ,
green candles
you can take
on daily
any
basis
of
of
last
any
10 days.
stock or index
Yeah,
and then calculate this.
yep, you can take last 10 days any data, because if I'm going bank nifty, it's showing 40k na. This was on 2020 October या earlier. So 2022 के starting में this was the something 40k. But if you go now, let me show you bank nifty also. Traders कोई नहीं बताएगा इसमें.
And ये same calculation हम short के लिए भी कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, अगर we are seeing similar delta in minus side, we will sort that ना.
Fine.
Means देखो, why I am telling this thing, let me show you the thing. So in bank nifty, if you see on 1 day का chart, oh तेरी bank nifty में ये game हो, it's getting loaded, data is heavier side. Yeah. So in bank nifty futures, here we have seen 6 lakh. Okay, 1.4, 2.3, 2.2, 3.6, whatever is that things. Can I calculate this thing all? Calculate करूँ, पूरा ही कर देता हूँ चलो आप लोगों के लिए.
No, I got an idea. I think.
No, कुछ लोगों को अलग होगा तो, because you are using the excels and all daily, but सब लोग नहीं करते. Let me calculate. I will take 1 minute. 6.3, 6.1, 1.4 and 2.3. 6.13. यार बोलता बहुत जल्दी हूँ मैं. 143, 240, 238. मैंने चेतन भाई को भी देखा इधर. 225, 360, 360. मेरे FII भाई बोल नहीं रहा. 153, 276, 103, 273, 103. I'm taking green with 1 lakh and more. 124, and last one is coming 137. So I have taken 10. So it's coming 239 on average, and this is coming this much, and my critical delta is going to become as 95,000. If I'm taking 3x, if I'm taking 2.5x, 80,000. So if I am seeing 80,000 का वॉल्यूम in 5 मिनट का कैंडल in बैंक निफ्टी, अब ये बताओ, are you able to create that much of volume? या if I can, या कोई कर सकता आप में से यहाँ पे बैठे हैं उसमें से, anyone has power to create 80,000 volumes in one side in bank nifty? Bank nifty is trending near 48,000. I'm taking lump sum. Do we have 384 crores rupees in our pockets? Because we don't have power ना, इतना power अपने पास नहीं है कि we will put 384 lakh in one trade in bank nifty. Means If someone is putting that much of power, मतलब game होने वाला है. He is making positions aggressively. Game होने वाला है. Let's see. This is critical. Okay. कुछ बहुत बहुत ज्यादा वॉल्यूम्स आ रहा है बैंक में.
We can see that Friday 12:30, 12:35 candle.
Yeah, please. Friday. This candle here. This candle, na? Yeah, this candle.
I'm talking about 12:35.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
candle.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, यही बोला ना मैंने. This is the critical. It's looking critical. Okay, so you will get 300 and more points.
The green candle also, next green candle also.
No.
The next big green candle.
This. Where? No, we have.
Yes, yes.
We don't have critical here. Nothing is critical here. Because my critical delta is suggesting me 80 lakh, 80,000. Okay. So if I'm taking
Okay.
2x also, if I'm taking 2x of normal volumes, that is coming 60 and 60 plus. Okay. So if I'm seeing 60 plus 1,000 ka volume, then I will think कि यार यहाँ पे कुछ something is going to happen. So if I'm taking here, I can consider these both ka volumes if I want to consider. But in this candle, I'm afraid कि भाई 60 is not coming. But I will not take long cut trade because here lots of people have sold. I will check 60k ka delta. Wherever having 60k and more ka delta, I will take trade. Either I will not take any trade. If you will get one trade in whole week, you are going to make a lot of money. This is for bank nifty traders. Okay. So if you are seeing ki 60k and more ka volume is coming in this thing, means 3 to 400 points ka journey is coming here. 90k above this thing. This is 8:15 and here market go till 9:30. This has given lesser, but this has given. Here we get negative volume.
So your voice is breaking.
Can you unmute yourself, guys? Because
Sir, your voice is breaking.
guys, please, आप mute करो. Guys, you mute करो ताकि मेरा voice proper आए. Now it's fine ना? I'm muting yourself. Now it's fine ना?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Why my Wi-Fi is going down? Might be internet connection was for microseconds के लिए down हुआ था मेरा internet connection. Am I audible now? I don't know. My Wi-Fi was go down. Other things are working, but sorry guys, due to some internet glitch. So I'm audible now. In last 2 months, first time I'm seeing.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Yeah, I'm using mobile internet for 2 minutes. Then I will switch to fiber. It might be ping loss. So yeah, what was your question?
Yeah, you're telling that like 80 the volume in BN Bank Nifty.
You want to see volume in?
No, no. You told that now you are telling about that BN, right? If volume is above that delta
Yeah,
is above
60,
86,
60K.
60K. Could you tell from that? Because from that your voice has been breaking.
Okay. Might be my internet connection was down or nearby site is down. Never. So if you are seeing critical volumes in Bank Nifty or whatever you have calculated for, yeah, here I am seeing कि 57K का buyer side का volume is coming. Okay, 57 is a critical. So if this high is breaking, I will take entry this high. Okay, but here one confusion is there that delta diversion is here, means the candle is red but delta in buyer side, means this is a confusing scenario, so you need to avoid. You guys know na delta divergence, आप लोगों को, you know, I think so. If you don't know, delta divergence means candle is green but buyer is there. Sometimes happen candle is red but buyer is there, so that type of scenario we need to ignore because that is going to be top or bottom for that particular time. So you will see कि this is going to be a top for next few minutes and all, ये top बन जाता है. But if we are seeing both things in same scenario, we are going to make a lot of money. So try to find out 60K ka volumes. 60, that will give you clear direction. Either we will get trapped or from last to 1 month and more, here above this high we will see a good rally in Bank Nifty. This high, okay, this high is 74K. You are seeing na critical delta is here. Even you can consider this thing also as a critical delta. Above 45 I usually take trades if I'm in Bank Nifty. 1 minute please. So usually above 45 and all, I start finding the opportunity in Bank Nifty. Reason behind my calculation is simple. You can see 40K means if this calculation is based on 2022, but still this is working for me and my students. Reason behind this amount is very higher side. You can see if someone is putting this much of amount and this much of quantities in one sided, means their buyer and seller ka fight, then later we are getting cumulative total 45K in the buying side. And if someone is putting this much of amount in this market, he is not a small trader, 200 crore and more. Okay, so here you will get a clear direction ki market is not going to break this thing in next few minutes and all. You will get 300 and 400 points ka rally in upcoming candles and all. You will see khatam, tata, bye bye, simple. Here again we have seen critical delta, so we can consider ki still there is more power in the buyer side. We can hold or we can put a trigger ki if market is going above this thing, I will take re-entry, simple. But always try to book your profits and stop losses with your risk management. In Bank Nifty, never give 50 and more points in futures and spot ka chart, or always try to book 50 and 100 points. If people are thinking I will book 500 points, they are going to lose. So try to make a discipline 15 50 and 100 points ka. If you want to hold, later you can hold with your trailing as well. But if you are getting 50 points in Bank Nifty, try to book. Yeah, whatever is your stock and all, if you are getting 1% or something else, you need to book at there. You can hold 50% quantities with cost to cost as well. You are not going to lose money. So Bank Nifty's critical delta, if you see 45K and more, try to tell me also and my friends, my community members also, so we guys can and take action accordingly. Because sometimes I'm not on system and all, और मैं नहीं करता हूँ, I never trade in options also, you know guys, है ना? So if you are seeing this much of critical delta, I'm always using Gocharting. So this calculations is best on Gocharting. If some people are using quant tower and there is lot of platforms who are providing this type of data, but मेरे लिए ये suitable है, that's why I'm using this thing. Previously you will see 45k ka positive delta here also, and we have seen a good rally in market. If you see this candle na, here we have seen and good rally here also. So to make money you need to find out this type of critical volumes. If anyone has any question and regarding calculations or someone joined late, please let me know, because
Still that 40k and 90k is working in Nifty and Bank Nifty.
we can consider, if you are aggressive trader, you can consider 45 plus and 90k plus.
Because
Reason
nowadays there is a nowadays we can see a very much of a fluctuations in the volumes. Suddenly we are getting
Let me show you reason behind why I am considering this thing, and I'm suggesting you guys ki try to take it recalculations. Reason behind this, because if you see this calculations is based on 2022 2022 का. So if you see average true range for that time and average volumes for that time was different. So you will see कि October के time there was Bank Nifty का average true range was approx 700, but now it's coming down at 500 here. But we are going on new charts. If I am going on current charts, you will see कि 600 points का true range is coming. But in this scenario here 600, here 800. My calculations was done earlier in this stage, where I have done here so here I have done my calculations. So that time volumes was coming approx 45 or 50k. That was good for critical delta. So here you will see ki Bank Nifty का average true range is coming approx 500 and more. दिख रहा है ना? Due to Adani wala issues, here we have seen a spike in that thing. Sorry, Adani wala issue was here. This was. Okay. So check with ATR. If ATR is similar to previous wala this thing 500 and more, you can take this 45 and all. 45 for Bank Nifty, 45 plus, and for Nifty you can take 1 lakh plus, because Nifty का range extend हुआ बहुत ज़्यादा, because that time Nifty was trending at 17,000 more, but now Nifty is trending at 22, 23. So volumes is getting increased, plus lot size is also get changed. 1 minute guys. Hello. Oh. Get it or not? Get it or not? Any questions? Oh, thank you guys. After a long time, I'm seeing some people. Sarthi, welcome after a long time. Where are you, bro?
Correct. Wrong time. How are you?
I'm fine, yeah, I'm doing well. Oh.
Great.
Today I'm trying to give you know about critical delta. I don't know why you are not joining these days.
Yeah, I see delta. Okay, fine.
So, if anyone has any question on critical delta, please let me know. And guys, try to share with your friends and all, because 95 traders don't know about these things. Yeah. The question is यही है मेरे mind में यही चलता रहता है. Maximum time I think यार 95 traders don't know about this behind the candles वाला things. People are watching these things only. Simple. These things. They don't know यार कि what is happening behind this thing. My motive is कि यार सबको ये पता चले, because before 2 years मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि what is happening in the market. We can clearly see कि this is the top, but people are buying calls. Clearly this candle is indicating why we are not going upside. Even a new buy trader can clearly say कि it's a top. Okay. So if any question regarding order flow and all, you can ask me. I will try to give you my best. I have covered critical delta today, and hope you guys has see something new which you